This revolution is different.
Yeah, why?
Because we're scaling our BEV capacity to 600,000 units by the end of 2023.
Because our products are being so well received, whether it's the Mach-E, the F-150 Lightning, or the Transit BEV.
We can't build them fast enough.
We have this window of opportunity. It won't be here 3 years from now. We have to act immediately.
It's seeming like every day we needed more. So we've doubled capacity in many cases, and we had to double it again.
Take North America, for example. We announced Blue Oval City. It's going to be the site of a new battery plant as well as a new final assembly plant. And then in Kentucky, we're putting in 2 more battery plants. Another great example of how fast we're working is our Rev C Center. The mortar is still drying in the building, and we're knocking down the walls to expand that facility.
We built a building for a certain set of volume, and early on, we realized we had a product hit on our hands.
And we need to scale up.
But now we have to expand the building in all 4 directions to accommodate the demand for the public.
This is the type of work we do. You know, that's why it's built Ford tough. And I think that people love to come to work on problems like this.
Great to see the electric revolution start here, where we really started everything out 118 years ago.
Once we get them rolling off the line, it's going to be unstoppable.
Every one of our plants is a high-volume manufacturing plant. This is what we know how to do, so I wouldn't bet against us.
To reach the 600K mark, we are basically doing whatever it takes with our supply base.
We're doing things a lot differently now. We're engaging suppliers much earlier in the process.
We walk their lines, we see how we can improve efficiencies. We are actually storing batteries as we speak.
This is not our first rodeo.
No one's gonna find a reason why not to do it. Everyone's gonna find a reason why we're gonna do it.
When we started this Go Fast Capacity Task Force, one of the biggest things that we've changed is the interactions with senior leadership.
It's like curling. That's what the management team's doing. They're literally out in front, looking at where you're going, and they're clearing the path.
We use small teams.
It is 15 leads in the task force delivering an entire Ford ecosystem of expertise.
The result of that, we found $1,000 of cost in around 8 weeks' work. This isn't just a North American effort, this is a global effort.
We're now investing $1 billion to transform Cologne to be our first European electrification center, and that's one of the most important announcements I have made in my career.
These are products targeted for the heart of the market in Europe. So we're leveraging the MEB architecture with VW. Our partner, Ford Otosan in Turkey, builds all of our commercial vans in Europe. And we're making the same transformation there. The Mach-E is a global product. We're selling it in Europe, we're selling it in China, we're building it in China. And we're using China in many ways as a little bit of a test bed.
We are direct to customer and also carry no inventory with order to delivery. So you're able to order a Mustang Mach-E in as few as 13 clicks, and that is the lowest in the industry in China.
This isn't just a project. You know, this is transforming the company for the next 100 years. Is it going to be hard? Absolutely.
It's been exhilarating and exhausting, but in a very addictive, sort of fun way.
Ford is built on people that like hard work. The word impossible really doesn't exist.
And we've only really shown the first 3 products in this lineup. 600,000 is really only the beginning. We're just getting started.